Hello guys. Uh, Here we have Mini O2 plate, Mini Cooper S, with a common issue. Doors won't unlock. They would lock, but won't unlock on a button. Can show you? Does nothing. It unlocks all other doors apart from drivers. Can be the same issue with either passenger side, either the driver side. So yeah, you can see on the key it doesn't lock, and I'm pretty sure it is actuator, because if you will hear in a second, it does not deactivate the alarm as well. Oh, yeah. So the issue is this, which has inside, in my opinion, has 3 actuators different inside. One for locking, one for unlocking, and another for window lifting. When you close the doors, it lifts up the window by inch or so. So yeah, in my case it's an actuator, but in other cases it can be the lock itself. If it's dirty and the grease got dirt mixed up with the sand and everything, all nastiness. As you can see, mine is greasy, but there is no sand. I tried to clean it because I thought it is locks mechanical side, not electronical side. So yeah, this bit should slide easily, like this, like this. If it gets stuck, and then actuator suffers and it can blow off. So yeah, I will show you where it is. I will try. It's deep in there, and it is a pain in the ass to change. You need to remove the door handle, take out the spindle, which sits over here, insert in position. Otherwise it won't do one thing, either unlocking or locking. You need to put in as it is. And then I would suggest also, if you get one actuator for yourself, door lock, try to replace all handles, the connectors to handles. The one to door handle from inside comes here. Little door opens up, closes up, sits in here, and goes that way, like this. So it's pretty easy. They can be shorter or longer because it's Mini and it has like facelift. It has shorter cables. The non-facelift has, as you can see, it's longer. It is longer. It is longer. And also pop-up thing easily disconnects over here and replace with your current, because can be different. As you can see, the bends are different. Bends in different places and it's shorter. So yeah, it will get stuck in a door panel when it goes in, and won't be able to come out and unlock the doors at all. So to save your time and your patience, swap all the parts from your car. Okay, I will try to perform the test. For the test, you need to imitate that the doors are locked, closed, I mean. So you do this. No, let's try to connect and then we'll do it. So we will try if the window actuator works as well. This is a facelift model. I haven't not from the facelift model, convertible. I haven't tried if it's the same or not. I just got indoors from previous job. Yeah, the same. So yeah, you heard the window came up or came down. Yeah, it lifted. So window actuator works. Now that it says doors shut, so the central locking should work. Voila, it's fixed halfway. Now just left to take it out from out over there and try to slide it in. What I realized, I had a 06 plate convertible. It was should have been easy job because the window lifting mechanism or the slides was a bit different and you could stick your hand in. But here I think I will have to undo the bottom or take the window out even. We have enough space to get out this big part through that hole and back in place. So okay guys, let me know what you're thinking, and if you have the same issue, please try first of all clean it. Over here squirt a lot of WD-40 in the lock. Try to lock unlock with a key to massage it with a lot of oil, and if that won't help, the actuator will help.